This is not just a motorhome. This is a revolution on wheels. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome arrives like a luxury beast unleashed, redefining what it means to travel in style, power, and absolute dominance. From the very first glance, it doesn't just demand attention, it owns the road, the moment, and your imagination. Because this is not your typical RV. This is Cadillac rewriting the future of mobile luxury. Let's dive deep into what makes this machine one of the most shocking, game-changing motorhomes ever created. The exterior design alone feels like it belongs in the next decade. Inspired by the bold DNA of the Escalade lineup, this motorhome stretches that identity into something far more aggressive and commanding. The front fascia features a massive illuminated grille that glows with precision, paired with razor-sharp LED lighting that slices through the night like a futuristic blade. Every line is intentional. Every curve is sculpted for presence. The extended body doesn't feel bulky, it feels powerful. Aerodynamics have clearly been refined, allowing this giant to glide with surprising smoothness. Massive alloy wheels, chrome accents, and a high-gloss finish elevate its luxury appeal while still maintaining that rugged, unstoppable stance. And then there's the sheer size. This isn't just big, it's imposing. When it pulls up, people don't just look, they stare, because it feels like something out of a billionaire's garage, not a campground. But the real magic begins when you step inside. Open the door and you're greeted by what can only be described as a rolling penthouse suite. The interior doesn't resemble a traditional motorhome. It feels like a high-end luxury apartment fused with a digital command center. Premium leather wraps every surface. Soft ambient lighting flows across the cabin, adjusting dynamically to your mood. Wood trims, brushed aluminum finishes, and glass accents combine to create an environment that feels both warm and ultra-modern. Front and center is a massive curved OLED display that stretches across the dashboard. It's not just a screen, it's an experience. Navigation, entertainment, vehicle controls, and real-time data all come together seamlessly, responding instantly to your touch and voice. The seating? Pure indulgence. Fully reclining captain's chairs with heating, cooling, and massage functions turn every journey into a first-class experience. Rear lounge seating transforms into a sleeping area that rivals luxury hotel suites. And yes, there's a full kitchen setup, sleek, minimal, and incredibly functional. Integrated appliances, hidden storage, and smart design make it perfect for long journeys without sacrificing style. Then comes the bathroom. Spacious, modern, and surprisingly elegant, it feels nothing like what you'd expect in a motorhome. Rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and smart water management systems bring true residential comfort on the road. But here's the question: can a vehicle this luxurious also deliver serious performance? The answer is a resounding yes. Underneath its refined exterior lies a powerhouse engineered for both strength and intelligence. While official specs are still emerging, industry insiders suggest a hybrid or fully electric powertrain could be at the heart of this beast. Imagine instant torque, silent acceleration, and a driving experience that feels smooth yet commanding. This motorhome doesn't roar in the traditional sense, it roars intelligently. It moves with purpose, confidence, and futuristic precision. If Cadillac integrates its latest electric platform, we could be looking at over 600 horsepower with a range that finally makes long-distance electric travel practical. Fast charging capabilities would mean less waiting and more exploring. And despite its size, advanced suspension systems ensure that the ride remains stable, comfortable, and shockingly agile. Whether cruising highways or tackling rougher terrain, this Escalade motorhome feels in control at all times. Handling something this large might sound intimidating, but Cadillac has thought of that too. This is where safety and innovation take center stage. Equipped with next-generation driver assistance systems, this 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome transforms driving into a semi-autonomous experience. Cadillac's latest hands-free driving technology allows you to cruise long distances with minimal effort, making road trips more relaxing than ever before.
360-degree cameras, advanced collision avoidance systems, adaptive cruise control, and intelligent lane management work together to create a protective digital shield around the vehicle. Parking a massive motorhome? No problem. Automated parking systems and precision sensors guide you effortlessly into tight spaces. And then there's connectivity. This motorhome is always online, always aware. Smart integration allows you to control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment directly from your smartphone, even when you're outside the vehicle. It's not just smart, it's intuitive. But let's talk about what really sets this apart: its impact on the market. The motorhome industry has long been divided between functionality and luxury. You either get practicality or you get comfort, rarely both at this level. But the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome changes that equation completely. This is Cadillac stepping into a space dominated by traditional RV manufacturers and saying, "We can do better." And honestly, they just might have. It competes not only with high-end motorhomes, but also with luxury travel experiences themselves. Why book a 5-star hotel when your vehicle offers the same, if not more, comfort and freedom? And then comes the price. While official figures are yet to be confirmed, expectations place this luxury beast somewhere between $200,000 and $400,000, depending on customization and features. Yes, it's expensive, but this isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle investment. For those who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort, this motorhome becomes more than transportation. It becomes a statement. A statement of freedom, of innovation, of living life on your own terms. But here's something worth thinking about. Is this the future of travel? Imagine waking up in a different location every morning without ever leaving your comfort zone. Mountains, beaches, deserts, all accessible without packing and unpacking your life over and over again. That's the promise this machine delivers. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about transforming the journey itself into the destination. And that's where the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome truly shines. Because it doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. It challenges everything we thought we knew about motorhomes. It blurs the line between vehicle and home, between travel and living. And most importantly, it proves that luxury and adventure no longer have to exist separately. They can coexist seamlessly. So is this the ultimate motorhome, the one that competitors didn't see coming, the one that could redefine an entire industry? It certainly looks like it. From its bold, futuristic design to its ultra-luxurious interior, from its intelligent performance to its breakthrough technology, this is a machine built not just for today, but for the future. And once you experience it, there's no going back, because ordinary road trips will never feel the same again. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision of what happens when innovation meets ambition, when luxury meets freedom, and when engineering meets imagination. And honestly, it might just blow your mind. Don't forget to subscribe to World Wheels for more reviews of the motorhomes shaping tomorrow today. And tell us, what feature impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below.